I was really looking for options that were not going to penalize me with substantial cash flow payments just to cover the interest on a home equity loan, to cover debt, expenses, and to continue investing in my property. Hometap really provided a flexible option that, in my situation, was the right move. And I'm glad this company is able to provide solutions that prevent you from having to expend significant cash flow each month and be smart with using your equity to drive additional investments in other areas. What I really liked most about working with Hometap is professionalism, expedience of their communication, a very quick response time. I have to say that Keith, who I worked with at Hometap from day one, was extremely professional, not overbearing whatsoever, communicated very well, appropriately, and was concise in what he asked for and what he needed from me.
Clay had a lot of plans on how he wanted to utilize his home's equity, from debt payoff to investing to renovations, and Hometap's product structure, the flexibility it allows, I think is what ultimately really led to Clay having a confident decision to use Hometap.
The investment funds from the equity of my home are really going to give us a lot of breathing room. This allows me to create a cushion to make good decisions, capitalize on market opportunities outside of my home equity, which will continue to appreciate, and free up cash flow. All in all, I think it's going to give us a strong footing to live the life we want to today and continue to save and prepare for the future. Glad I went with Hometap.